Monsoon. What images does this word bring to your mind upon hearing it? Soothing rain, misty weather, and shadowy dance of passing clouds, gushing winds, roaring and stunning waterfalls, green enchanting landscapes, hilly terrains filled with captivating green mountains becomes absolute stunning and tranquil during monsoon. And who could resist the allure of a leisurely drive during the monsoon? So such places become a heaven for those seeking solace in the rain-draped landscapes during monsoon. But is this the only type of landscape or vibe monsoon has to offer? Could the monsoon's enchantment extend to coastal realms? Can the sea weave its own spell during this season? We decided to find it out and started our journey to one of the places where river and ocean meet. Here, a serene authenticity thrives, far from the crowds. Monsoon's magic paints landscapes of duality, the mountains and the coasts, each with its own melody.